Good morning, everyone. This week's video about spectacular customer service comes to you from a perennial powerhouse in the industry, Southwest Airlines. In 2017, I was traveling quite a bit in the United States, and on a flight from Birmingham, Alabama to home, Orlando, Florida, I was fortunate enough to earn the Companion Pass. A little bit about the Companion Pass for Southwest Airlines. It allows you to take someone with you for free wherever you go on Southwest Airlines. And to give you an idea of how much of a savings or value this is, if I was fortunate enough to have the Companion Pass in 2017 and taken someone with me, that would have been worth about $10,000. And what made this customer service experience even better was, of course, the employees, the flight attendants, and Captain Marty. On the flight from Birmingham, Alabama back to Orlando, Florida, the flight attendants made an announcement, and Captain Marty asked if I would like to take a picture to capture this moment. I said, heck yeah, I would. This is awesome. I went up front, and he was nice enough to let me sit in the left seat, which is the captain's seat. We took a picture, and it's a memory that I'll cherish for quite a long time, and a story that I'll share as often as possible. Thank you, Captain Marty, the employees of Southwest Airlines, for delivering spectacular customer service. Tune in next week as I find and share more examples of spectacular service.